Hello, today I'll be talking to you about an important subject of management, that is operations management. It is the most easy subject. It's almost a common sense subject. Out of all the subjects that we'll be studying, this is the easiest. But actually this is a common sense subject. So I'll request all of you that you hear me what I am telling, and I'll be showing you a lot of videos and all that. See those stories. To be successful as a operations management, you should have two things in your character. That is, you should be having a soft tongue and a compassionate heart. Where barking will do the job, don't bite. See, God has not given bones in your tongue and the heart. Why? Because He wants that tongue should be soft, you should talk softly, heart should be soft, you should talk compassionately. Right? So let us start the operations management. Operations management is the set of activities that creates value for goods and services. You put input, process it, and you get the output. Right? Marketing generates demand. Actually, marketing is the management. Whatever job you may be doing, you must know marketing. It creates a product or services. Financing and accounting tracks how well the organization is doing, paying bills, collecting money, etc. Organization chart of a commercial bank is operations means teller scheduling, check clearing, collection, transaction processing, facilities design layout, vault operations, maintenance, and security. Now, marketing means it's loan, commercial, industrial, financial, personal, or mortgage loans. There is a trust department which maintains the truthfulness of this work. Finance means investment, securities, real estate, accounting, auditing. Now, if it is a airlines, the operation means ground support equipment, maintenance, ground operation, facility maintenance, creating flight operations, crew scheduling, flying, communication, dispatching, management science. Finance and accounting is also very important for airlines, that accounting, payables, receivable, general ledger. Finance means cash control, exchange control, etc. And marketing, traffic administration, reservation schedules, tariff, that is pricing, sales, advertising, etc. In a manufacturing organization, operations involve facilities, that is construction, maintenance, production and inventory control, scheduling, material control, quality assurance and control, supply chain management, manufacturing, tooling, fabrication, assembly, design, product development and design, detailed product specification, industrial engineering, that is efficient use of machines, space, personnel and the time, process analysis, development and installation of production tools and equipment, finance and accounting in a manufacturing generally deals with disbursement, credit, receivable, payable, general ledger, fund management, money market, international exchange, capital requirement, that is stock issue, bond issue and recall, and marketing, sales promotion, advertising, sales, market research, etc. Why study operations management? Operations management is one of the three major functions: marketing, finance and operations of any organizations. What operations manager do? Planning, organizing, staffing, leading, controlling. New challenges in operations management from local or national focus, that is local focus for a safer community, to new global focus, that is globe is the whole market. Batch equipment to just in time. From lengthy product development to rapid product development. Goods, tangible products to services, intangible products. Characteristics of good. Tangible goods. Tangible product is a physical object that can be perceived by touch, such as a building, vehicle or gadget. The most goods are tangible product. For example, a soccer ball is a tangible product. Characteristics of goods: consistent product definition. Consistency is important to the overall success of every business. High quality product allows your customer to know exactly what to expect every time they purchase your product. It can be inventoried. Inventory refers to all items, goods, merchandise and material held by a business for selling in the market to earn a profit. Example, if a newspaper vendor uses a vehicle to deliver newspaper to the customer, only the newspaper will be considered the inventory. The vehicle will be treated as an asset. Characteristics of services: intangible product. An intangible product is a product that can only be perceived indirectly, such as an insurance policy. Intangible data products can further be classified into virtual digital good, which are virtually located on a computer operation system and accessible to the user as conventional file types such as JPG and MP3 files. Example of intangible assets include goodwill, brand recognition, copyright, patent, trademark, trade name and customers. Example, Bata. If you say Bata, immediately you think about shoes. Characteristic of a service: produced and consumed at the same time. High customer interaction, often knowledge based. frequently dispersed. Tangible product and intangible product, goods versus services. Tangible product can be resold. Intangible product reselling is unusual. Tangible product can be inventoried. Intangible product difficult to inventory. Selling, tangible product selling is distinct from production. Intangible product selling is part of the service. Product is transportable. Intangible product, provider, not product, is often transported. Tangible product often easy to automate. Intangible product often difficult to automate. Today I take the liberty of showing you a video lecture.
Okay, let's do this. Today I'll talk about operations management. In our day-to-day lives, we routinely deal with both physical goods as well as services. But where do these products or services come from? This is where operations management comes into play. Looking closely at the production of such goods, we're able to take a peek inside the black box, which is the production process. Operations management can be defined as the management of the entire process that transfers inputs into outputs. Outputs are said physical goods or services. Inputs can be material, manpower, and machines. Here's an example from the car industry. The material, metal in this case, is supposed to be reshaped by a machine. This machine, a press in our example, is operated by a machine operator. The metal thus becomes, through the transformation process, a finished component, which is assembled on a car as the output of this process. A central aspect of operations management is the improvement of the transformation processes, which can be accomplished by concepts such as total quality management, Kanban, or total productive maintenance.
I will continue this lecture putting you some suggestions and putting some questions. First thing, please ask yourself why you are doing management course. Is it because you had nothing else to do? So you joined the management course to get a stamp of degree. In that case, you are really not my client. I would like to have the student who are courageous. You know, in Veda, the first sloka said that if you think you are weak, then that is the biggest sin you are doing to yourself. You are not weak. You are very strong. You are weak because you have not got the opportunity or you have not tried. I'll request all of you to try and be courageous. Courage gives the basic strength for anything to be successful. If it is your family life, if it is your service life, if you do business, if you do politics, you do anything, you must be having courage. Now, if you do management courses, operations management is a portion of that. But basic, if you look into management, there are 4 fields. Production. In production management, why people should consider you? they will consider engineers. Now production planning, then supply chain management, all these things are taught in engineering in great details. So in production, if you go, production management, you are really competing with engineers. If you want to go to finance management, you are competing with the chartered accountant and cost accountants. Chartered accountant and cost accountant will always be better than MBA or BBA student. Very few MBA or BBA students are there who get chance to do financial analysis. That is, those who are very good in mathematics, excellent in mathematics, they really do good in this field. Otherwise, finance is not your field. Then there is a personnel management. There are a lot of institutes like XLRA, Jamshedpur, etc., who teaches only personnel management, HR management. And how many HR managements are required? Say this IEM and UM group, we have about 600 permanent employees. Out of that, how many are doing the personnel job? None. Have you seen any personnel officer? Have you met anybody who is a personnel manager or personnel officer? None. If a company employs maybe 5,000 people, there may be 5 or 10 maximum personnel or HR professionals. So that is a field where chance of your growth is very limited, and chance of getting a good job is also very, very limited. But marketing is a field where management specialists are required. Now, in marketing, most of the time, I have seen many of our students are avoiding, because in marketing, your actual caliber, actual contribution can be found out very shortly, within 3 months, 6 months. Now, those who are courageous, those who want to take risk and has confidence in themselves, they should go for marketing. I love marketing. I always wanted to be in marketing, and when I was in government, I was in charge of marketing, and I enjoyed it thoroughly. And whatever I am today, if there is any success behind me, it is because of my marketing background. See, this Vice Chancellor of Oxford University, he takes a global round to various places. He came to Calcutta also, he came to Delhi also. He met many of the students and told them that what are the facilities in Oxford University, how to get into there and all that. He could have sent some junior professors, but no, he knew admission of good student is the main reason why Oxford University has so much of name worldwide. So he is selling Oxford University to various countries. So you can understand, the Oxford University Vice Chancellor is also a salesperson. He is also trying to get good students. There is a pride in it. If he gets, say, 1,000 good students from all over the world, he will feel that he has done a lot of job for the Oxford University. I request all of you to be in marketing, in the sales. Now in sales and marketing, people are afraid that there will be target I will not be able to fulfill and all. Ask yourself, if thousands and thousands of people are being successful there, why you cannot do? Please don't do this. Be courageous. In Gita, Lord Krishna told Arjuna that be courageous and torturer of your enemies. Kill your enemies. Your enemies are your fear. Your enemies are your doubt. Your enemies are your less self-confidence. Please be confident. Actually, all our teachers, all the people who are working there are actually salesperson. See, the person who is becoming chief minister or prime minister, what they are telling, what they are doing, they are selling their ideas, they are selling their image, and for doing that, they are doing various type of thing, various types of gimmicks. Like we sell in the we do advertise in the newspaper, in TV and all that. It's selling, it's marketing. Similarly, the politicians are also doing. All the big people are doing, even the scientists. They also do this. So please consider this. Another concept I want you, that when people say that make reasonable profit, they are foolish people. Make the hay while the sun shines. So you as an operation manager must suggest your company to make maximum profit that is possible, because good days will not last forever. If bad days come, company will make loss and company will fail to pay the bank interest and bank amount. Everybody will jump on you. Nobody will say that he made very reasonable profit, so leave him. It will not happen. See, the big people, the big business people, they are paying hundreds and thousands crores of income tax. And on the basis of this tax, the country is running. But when their business goes down, they make loss. Do they get any support? Do they get 1 rupee support from the government or from the public? None. So, in life, everywhere when you get an opportunity, please get maximum out of it, because in bad days no one will stand with you. Understand? This is a very important thing in operations management. Operations management is a common sense subject, and I want you to have common sense and courage to face the world. Thank you.